If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. All right, I'm about to give you 3 powerful traits that you must have to be a successful network marketer. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now let's jump straight into it. All right, if you want to become a successful network marketer, you want somebody who is making actual money in the industry, in my opinion, you need these 3 traits. All right, the first one is you gotta have that entrepreneurial spirit. All right, you have to be one of them people who, yeah, you know 9-to-5s exist, right? You understand about the hourly pay and all that, but you're the type of person that wants to create something on your own. You want to be your own boss. You believe in, working when you want, working from different locations. You're about creating a lifestyle that you want to live, and it's all in your control. When you're an entrepreneur, you understand that there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, but it don't matter because you know where you want to be. An entrepreneur is somebody who is disciplined, a self-starter, right? Somebody who can create their own schedule, somebody who can work and stay up real late, somebody who can get up real early, right? That's that entrepreneurial spirit that you need to have when it comes to network marketing and actually being successful. A second trait that you must have to be a successful network marketer is thinking big. All right, now granted, there's a few people out there who just get into network marketing because they want to earn a couple extra $100 a month, and that's fine. But most people, when they join a network marketing opportunity, they're usually on that, I want to make $5, $10, $20,000 a month. Like, I want to be a leader. You know what I'm saying? I want to be at the top of the leaderboard, right? I want to be able to speak at events, and I want to be able to pay for things and have that financial freedom, right? Most network marketing people think like that, right? They have big goals, right? So if you're jumping into network marketing, you need to have that mindset, right? Like, go big, think big, because network marketing actually can put you in a position to reach all those financial goals. And the third trait that you must have to be a successful network marketer is you gotta have that I'll figure it out mentality. Now, what I mean by that is, whenever you get started with network marketing, you're gonna get all of this training, right? You're gonna get like, oh, you need to do Facebook. This is how you get leads from Facebook and YouTube, and you could do offline marketing and blah, 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 right? So a lot of times people, they follow other people, right? And then they're like, they'll do their method, right? And then they're like, it ain't really working for me, right? And then they'll quit. They'll be like, oh, well, my sponsor or somebody I seen, a leader said they make money like this with this company, but it didn't work for me, right? So they quit. Damn that, right? You got to have the mindset of like, I'll figure it out. I'm going to figure out what works for me, all right? Maybe Facebook ain't my thing, but maybe YouTube my thing. Maybe Facebook Reels is how I like to get down. Or maybe I just want to do it offline. I just want to do vendor events, right? And promote my opportunity. Right? So you have to figure it out on your own. Don't expect, everything that's working for somebody else that is going to work for you, right? Because 9 times out of 10, you are not like everybody else, right? You got your own personality, you got your own style, you got your own weaknesses, you got your own strengths. You know what they are, so you got to use them to your advantage. But if you're getting into network marketing, you got to come in it like, yo, I got my goals. I know what I want to earn with this company. I know where I want to be with this company. So I'm going to figure it out. If you feel like you got these traits and you want to join the company that I'm making money with every single month, click that first link in the description and let's get it.